full-on shopping guide for Olive Young Global. Don't get it if it's not on sale. It's the #1 beauty e-commerce, online and offline. Recommendations for different topics, different themes, and different guests. And right now, they're having really good gift with purchase. This has been doing wonders. In 2024, that I will be going to Olive Young even more, if that's even possible. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are my soul sisters? Let me hear your flow, sister. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Unni, EuniUnni in the house today, and I'm so happy to see you guys. Today, I wanted to give you a full-on shopping guide for Olive Young Global. This video is not sponsored by Olive Young Global, but it can be. Holla at your girl. You know I'm always, like PRing myself, making sure I'm marketing myself so that I can become the ambassador for Olive Young Global. So holla at your girl, I'm always waiting. Anyway, so we're gonna go in depth about when you go to the site, like where do you have to go to check out the promos and where do you have to go to check out extra coupon codes. And I'm also gonna be sharing my affiliate code. You can always get extra discounts no matter what kind of promo they're having. On top of all the discounts, you can get more discounts. And also, our Olive Young shopping series is the most loved series, I feel like, on my channel. I know you guys love going skincare shopping with me. And yeah, every time I go, I know that it's like one of my favorite places to be. It's like skincare heaven, literally. And I just wanted to give you a gentle reminder that I've been doing this for years. So I have a lot of different content with recommendations for different topics, different themes, and different guests as well. We had Tanaka Harris on my channel, of course, our baby girl SooBeauty, Ahn Unni, and also we had a lot of different professionals on our channel. Claudia, who has her PhD degree in dermatology, estheticians, also brand owners, and global marketers from different brands as well, and my husband Derek, and yes, so much more. So today I'm gonna give you a little gentle reminder. I will leave all the links in the description below so you guys can go back and get the recommendations from these amazing guests and also the different topics that we do have. So let's get this party started. All right, so the first thing that you need to keep in mind when shopping at Olive Young Global is Unni's affiliate code. Yes, right here, Eunicorns 2022. You can get extra discounts on top of any other promos or discounts they're having. So make sure to embed this code in your heart, okay? Second thing that you need to keep in mind when you're shopping at Olive Young Global is don't get it if it's not on sale, because there are certain products and brands that doesn't go on a huge sale too often. However, Olive Young Global generally has huge sales like every other 2 months, every other kind of month, every other 3 months. It's really amazing because when they do have the sales, they go big. I know that like last week they had a big bang sale. It lasted for about a week and it's like up to 77% discount. So those sales you do have to look for. And I brought my little notebook, so I did my little research to let you guys know. Before anything, go to the events page. You can check out all the promos they're having with different brands and things like that. And they always have coupons for like different products and things like that. Here, they always have like new members code or like 99-cent deals. Like those products change, I think like every month or whenever. So that's always great to check out. And also if you write reviews after your purchase, I think you can get reward points and so much more. And to be always updated with the sales coming up, follow Olive Young Global on their Instagram. They do always announce it, and even a little bit beforehand they start teasing it. And another important thing is on the main page, they always show like what kind of promos they're having. Plus, if they don't have it, like I mentioned, go to the events page. And right now on Olive Young Global, they are having a huge promo with Jumiso. I'm so happy that Jumiso actually launched on Olive Young Global about 2 weeks ago. Jumiso is having up to 55% discount. That is a lot, you guys. And right now they're having really good gift with purchase. To the first 1,000 purchases of anyone who buys Jumiso, you're gonna be able to get the new and best set with miniatures of the BHA cleanser and Snail Mucin Essence. To the first 500 who purchase over $20, you can get a full-sized 50 milliliter Snail Mucin Essence. And I have a question. Which product did you like the most from Jumiso? Or like, what was the gateway to Jumiso for you? For me, it was actually this vitamin serum right here. I love this one, but these days I've been absolutely in love with their essence. This is their bestseller Jumiso Snail Mucin 95 plus Peptide Essence. After using this product, I think I know why people really love Snail Mucin, that ingredient, so much. I personally love how light and fresh the texture and the finish is. This has been my go-to for this month and last month as well. I love this, especially when I'm having my lazy days. I love adding this in, and then I finish it off with the Crave Oil Lala and just sunscreen, and I'm out the door. Especially if you have concerns of whiteheads, like small pesky bumps. A lot of people do have concerns like on the forehead area, but I always get them on the cheek area towards this side. This has been doing wonders. Make sure to add in a really good exfoliator and add this in, and it's just a great combination. I love adding this in with their BHA cleanser as well, so I'll leave that video right here. I did a kind of in-depth review for both products and the combination together. As the main ingredient, it has snail mucin and peptides. It's a high functional product that gives you a lot of skin benefits like improving acne. You don't really think that with snail mucin, but it's amazing for that. The formula is really good for that, and it's really good at recovering your skin from ultraviolet ray damage. So check these out. The first 1,000 people who purchase Jumiso products, you can get this set right here. And also the first 500 who purchase over $20 gets a full-size product of the 50 milliliter essence. So keep that in mind. All right, so let's move on, you guys. I have a whole list of the contents that I wanted to share. Gentle reminder that you guys can watch them again for the recommendations and different topics as well. Now, let's talk about the special guest that I wanted to mention. Every single one of you guys were amazing and special, but I thought that you guys will love seeing Tanaka Harris. She's an amazing content creator, and she talks about J beauty and K beauty. She's located in Australia, but she goes to Japan often, and she comes to Korea as well. And when she came to Korea last time, we met, and that's when we went olive young shopping with Sue. Yes, but she's so cute. She just has such a wonderful energy. I think you're gonna love her, and we had so much fun like spoiling her and going olive young skincare shopping. And also Ahn Unni, I know you guys really love her. She is actually the president. She's like the head. She owns her own research clinic, and she is the head of Korea Institute of Dermatological Sciences. I could never memorize that name, but yes. So she also has her own YouTube channel as well. So she has so much knowledge. I think of her as one of my mentors, and she's just such a girl boss. And I think you will love her content. She really speaks to you like a younger sister, like as well, when she's giving recommendations on her channel. And she has various topics. So you're gonna love that, and it's backed up by her professional knowledge. And another fun thing when I shop with Ahn Unni is that she knows all the behind the scenes. So when we're like shopping at Olive Young Global, she tells you like this brand's like behind the scenes, or like this brand's like marketing strategy, or things like that, you know, like things that you wouldn't really normally know or hear about unless you're in the industry. So it's really fun to hear those facts, and it's just kind of interesting to hear about the brands that you absolutely love and things like that. So yeah, so that one's gonna be a really good one. And we also have Claudia. She's a really good friend of mine. She got her PhD degree in dermatology in Korea, and now she's back in Indonesia. And her content is very good. I like live for her posts, especially when she talks about ingredients, and she just simplifies everything down for you. And these days she does make more content in Indonesian, but when she does charts and stuff like that, everything is in English, so I do follow her. And for our Olive Young series, she did speak in English, so you guys can definitely check that one out. That was really fun. And we also have a lot of videos where my friends who's actually in the beauty industry come to Olive Young and shop with me. And one of my favorite guests was JooEun. She was the global marketer for Rovectin. Now she's in a different company. But yeah, it was so fun to hear like her recommendations from Rovectin, you know, and different tips from like the Rovectin staff and things like that. And also we had my friend Mehdi as well. A lot of you guys love Mehdi for his just like rawness, and he's just like so down to earth, and he's so good at talking.
He could talk about like my toe jams, and I think I'll be intrigued. Like, well, he doesn't have to talk about my toe jams, but if he even talks about his toe jams, I think I would watch it over and over again.
Whatever he says, he articulates it so well, and he just makes it so fun, that story. If you're not following him, please do follow him on TikTok and Instagram, and I think he opened his YouTube again. So all of that, I'll link it in the description below. And I also went skincare shopping with Derek too. He always used to go with me, especially in the beginning, you guys, at Olive Young. like when I used to go, I used to get kicked out sometimes, like because it wasn't like an official type of like getting permission to do it, because I was like such a small creator. Like I don't think I even knew the number or like who to talk to and things like that. I remember like I went to different stores like Aridao, Nature Republic, and I gave my number to the manager. I was like, can you guys please call me? Like, can you tell your like boss's boss? I really want to film here, but like I don't know like if I can and things like that. These days what we do is we get proper permission from Olive Young Global, and that totally makes sense because I think sometimes like they wouldn't want like random filming here and there, you know. But yes, I do get permission from Olive Young Global beforehand, like what I'm gonna film, who I'm gonna film with and things like that, and I get permission and I film before the store opens. And oh my gosh, one of the guests that I forgot to mention is Sunny Dahye. Sunny has so much knowledge, not just in skincare but in makeup products as well, and just such a well-rounded like whole beauty. I think she's just very well knowledgeable, and she also is the creative director of House of Her. You know, she's like the co-founder as well. So yes, please do check out that episode with Sunny as well. Okay, so moving on, I wrote like full shopping guide plus Rex. Alright, I wanted to let you guys know that I have filmed so many videos, especially with different topics. So the basics, right? Different skin concerns of dry skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, dehydrated skin, you name it, it's there. If you do type it, if you're like EuniUnni, Olive Young, like dry skin, it will pop up. And of course, because Korea has 4 different seasons, I always have a video for different seasons, like summer, hot, humid weather, or really dry cold weather, or like spring transitioning period, what to use, like things like that, and fall as well. So that, please do check it out. I also have really fun topics like I think sometimes when we say like this is really popular in Korea, right? It might be, but it might not be. There's a lot of times when I'm like, is it really popular in Korea? Like I've never heard of it, you know, and things like that. And Olive Young Global, if it's there, if it's on there, it is something that's really, really big because it's the #1 beauty e-commerce, online and offline. And that's a fact. So I do have videos like what products are actually popular in Korea and what products sold the most in 2023 for Olive Young Awards. Yeah, we have a lot of Olive Young stores. I think we have more than 1,200 all in Korea. When you come to Korea, you're gonna be able to see it everywhere, in every different corner. Of course, you have to hit up like the biggest one in Myeongdong, Hongdae, Gangnam, Taiwan that I always go to, but there are smaller ones too. So wherever you go, at least like in one big street, you will see an Olive Young, and you walk and you're like, oh, there's another one. So it is everywhere, and you can hit up every single one of them. It's amazing. It's just like,
it gives you that little peace and happiness when you're in there. It's just like you're in your little zone and you can just be there for hours and you're just like happy and you just don't need anything else, or you don't need anyone. And yeah.
okay, so anyways, other video recommendations that I really want to mention are Olive Young staff picks. I literally went to Olive Young and asked the staff what is their top product, you know, things like that. So that one's really good. I think a lot of people may have missed that one. And answering your questions, your specific questions that I got from Instagram or YouTube community tab, I gathered them up and I answered them for you. I give you recommendations at Olive Young. Another one was literally interviewing what people bought from Olive Young after their purchase. So we went to Myeongdong Olive Young. We literally waited outside and we waited till everybody came out with their purchase, and we're like, hey, you know, can we interview guys and things? And so we interviewed everyone to see what they got. We were really curious to see what foreigners visiting Korea were buying. We also have so many other contents like hair care, body care videos. We have one for teen unicorns. We invited one of our 동생 Iris for that. And with that said, I wanted to officially let you guys know in 2024 that I will be going to Olive Young even more, if that's even possible. Yes, so I'm gonna keep this wonderful series coming for you guys. I want you guys to always comment below on what topics you guys want to see and what kind of recommendations you want to see, and also what guests you want me to go to. Like for example, I really want to go with a guest that's around 40 to 50 years old, a little bit older than me. I thought it would be really good to give you guys recommendations, what you can shop at Olive Young for our unnies and things like that. Please comment below on what you guys would like to see on Olive Young shopping series, and also which areas that you want to see. And lastly, I wanted to let you guys know Olive Young Global has an affiliate program. I believe everybody can join. So if you are a content creator as as well. You guys can check it out. If you're not and you just have fellow skincare lovers, friends and family, and you want to share the code and they shop K-beauty products a lot, then I think it will be great for you guys to sign up. So I just wanted to let you guys know. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I had so much fun sharing the shopping guide for you guys, and I can't wait for you guys to see more Olive Young shopping series in 2024 with EuniUnni. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. 안녕.